Hey guys, welcome back to our channel to this new video. Professional graphic designers work with businesses to create attractive marketing tools like business cards, brochures, and logos to help build a business or brand image. Here are 4 reasons why you should consider using graphic design in your business. When used correctly, high-quality graphic design for a business can help enhance the brand and marketing efficiency. It helps to inform, educate, or persuade your target audience and get them into sales. Graphic design serves as an effective communicator, using visual aids to better communicate ideas. A creatively designed, informative graphic, when compared to only words, can communicate ideas and information more effectively. Professionally designed graphics and images can help in creating a positive impression and effective communication of the message of the brand. Brand recognition. Another benefit of graphic design for businesses is that it helps to establish a visual identity of the brand. This acts as a reflection of the company's core values and goals. A company's logo is used in every aspect of business communications, from advertisements to product design, all of which helps to build a strong visual identity for the business. An effective graphic design can establish an instant connection between your company's values and the products or services offered. A positive first impression is always a good thing. The way your customers view your business is critical in its growth and development. High-quality graphic designs help your business to gain credibility. When a brand identity is known to be one of high quality, customers are more likely to buy these products that come with better credibility. Successful businesses all have one thing in common. The design used represent their standards of the business. All the graphic designs, from logos, brochures, websites, posters, ads, and business cards and more, are designed according to a specific theme and maintain a uniformity. This communicates a known standard of quality and enhances their credibility. Graphic design communicates more than just words to your audience. A simple design choice, like a font choice or color palette that is used, can drastically impact your brand positively or negatively. Your business design helps to communicate an emotion or feeling that supports the message behind your business. And that feeling that is created when your designs are seen by your target audience is what is remembered. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. More videos coming soon.